the comments and all, and it's kind of draining na. It's kind of draining me. So I tried going here. Kasi I thought walang masyadong nakakilala sa akin. Yummy time. I thought walang masyadong nakakilala sa akin dito. However, I was wrong. Dami pa rin nakakilala sa akin here. So yeah. Thank you, ha. Sexy, thank you. What's this? Thank you, ha. Thank you so much. So you're a college student. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, third year na. Magta-third year na ako. How about you? Psychology. Hi, Leah. I thought, oh, kaano pala kita ka-fam? Hi. Hello, Louise. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Hunter. That's also a difficult course. For me, it's okay naman. Thank you, Leah. It's kind of manageable. For me lang. Cause, ano? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Hello, Yopej. You're back. Hello. My course. So, what's your course? Engineering ba? Thank you, Mimi. You know me? You know me? Hi, Tyrant Kiami. Thank you, Mimi. Hi, TikTok. You're back. Thank you so much for the win and get. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, TikTok. Thank you so much, TikTok. Really love you, TikTok. My gosh. All kisses to you, famous schoolmate. Hey, what's your name? Thank you so much, TikTok. Thank you so much. Hi, Jiro. Thank you so much, TikTok. Thank you, Mimi. Girl, you look fine as a. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, TikTok. Thank you so much. Papasayawin ka ni Kuya. Huy, I don't know how to dance, but I will try if you'll drop. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you so much, TikTok. I'm sorry. I'll just soften my voice. Hello, Dofi. Kasi natutulog na yung fam ko and everything. Thank you so much, TikTok. So much. Actually, guys, sumasakit na yung ulo ko because I have astigmatism and mati-trigger yung migraine ko if I stare at the light or if I'm exposed to light for a long time. So, yeah, medyo nati-trigger yung migraine ko here. Hi, Yoj! Thank TikTok and thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Hi, hi. Wait. Wait. How can I mute? Hello. My head is aching, bro. What the heck? I don't know where's my fuck. Hi, Angel. Ayun, so I can find my Vicks. My head is aching so much, bro. Yung migraine ko help. Oh well. Hello. Thank you, Poyo. I'm just gonna hit the 200. Hi, Luffy. I'm just gonna hit the 200 and I'm gonna end the live. Hello, I'm back, bruh. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you so much. Ayun. Anong level ka na, TikTok? Is it 13 agad? Ayun. Boogs. Thank you so much. Hi. Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, G Wolf. Oh, is that your name? G Wolf. Oh, I have a chika eye. So, Di na lang ako ingon di ayan eh. Kaya basin bawal. Baka bawal. Majijit ta. Mo to. Basin na na po yung makailan ako diri ha. Gikan ang IG. Taghan kig makailan ako diri big. Sa gikan TikTok ko sa IG. Mas stress ko. Thank you guys. Hi ko. How do I pronounce that shit? Gus. Hi, Kalmado. Bisaya ra taga asa ka? Oh, taga Kuan. Bohol bay. Thank you, Gus. Thank you, TikTok. Taga asa ka bay? Sama ni, wait lang. Nakabaw. Babalo. Pasayawin niyo si ate. Hoy, wag. Sumbagay lagi ta, awa. Sibog diri. Di ko bay. Hi, ikaw dito nas. Abo lang yun ka. Bro, what the heck? Thank you so much. Who was that? Oh my gosh. Kisa to? Thank you so much, Kremlin. Follow back. Sure, of course. And hello, Kremlin. Thank you so much for. Thank you, Paul. I just hit the 200 target, but I think I won't be ending the live soon. Cause nakoy kota na live hours. I don't know if kuan ba ni siya. Sure, of course. I will follow those who are in my fan group. Thank you, TikTok. Wait, naigi ko anong agency of the fam. I don't know what to do, man. I just wanna barog ka isabay. Dili ko mo barog. Dili ko. Maglingkod dili ko. Demo. Patay din ako kalaro. Sabi ko, I love you. Agad. Agad. Bahala ka. Agay. Puta. Thank you, TikTok. Gabiyahin na ka, be? TikTok, thank you so much. You're leveling so fast. Like, you're 13 na. Wow. Taga-asa ka, te. Secret. Aron pa lang kunin mo. Hindi ko eh. Uy, bo. Kahit ito. Init ba? Real. Naiinitan ako. Di lagi. Bala ka. Secret ra. Di pwede. Thank you, AV. Sige na sa inyo. Dili agad ko moingon. Di ko moingon. Kung nakaka-alien. Painitin mo, babe. Gihapak ko kayo. Pooks. Ay. Man, 1 points away from what? Thank you so much. Ooh. I think I need my glasses, but I forgot where I put my glasses. Lang ata na ako ibutang. Happy birthday. Thank you. Di hot liver si ate. Huwag na tayo masa. Real. I don't do that shit. Thank you, TikTok. I don't do that shit, man. Shout out from Qatar. Hi, Arnold. Shawi. And what the heck is a hot live? I don't know that shit. Cut. Katataduhan ng puta. No. No. Para sa tunay na G. Kung nakakain. I'll be going to sleep na at 12. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow again. I tried going live at 5 a.m. Pero yun, di ako nagising. Di ako nagising, boy. Ano? Be-ingat ka lang. Yes, thank you, Willie Balilia. Yes, thank you. Alam mo, IG ko. Time, bro. Don't spill my IG. Para sa tunay na G ang tema. Kung nakaka-alien. Gosh, Joe. That's all. What? 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 Magaligay pagdating. Sounds so deep, man. Thank you, TikTok. Please, I don't do that shit. I just do live to yup. I'm sorry. Sorry kung disappointed kayo, ah. Thank you, Hunter. Kung nakaka-alien. Daming Jinwoo na name. Never mind my compliments. Did you just complimented me? I'm sorry, I haven't read. Thank you. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you so much. Ah, dito kong glasses. Ay, gagi. Basta ko sa kung kuan. Yan na lang. What do you mean? What do you mean? Taga-kulon man. Wala, dili. Dili kumao. Dili na mao. Thank you so much, Kremlin. Thank you so much. Hi, Pat. Thank you so much. No, I'm not. Dili ko taga Cebu. Dili ra lagi. Dili lagi. Taka ka man lang. Lahi to na babae. Dili to ako. Thank you, Mimi. Magsumbagay taron. Awa. Charis. Ko magkaka-alien. Thank you, Mimi. Daghana man ni. Hi. Hi, hi. Kinis ng kilik-kilik. Nakoy DM. Okay. Asa man? Where is it? Wala ra ba? Hello. Thank you, Sir X. Ate, pwede ka ma-call? No. No. Beyond Bigo is a no. Shout out to Neil Bascon. I think Minyo na na. Hala! Oh, Minyo na ko. Kasi mo Minyoan. Taga Davao. Hey, charis. Outfit check. Mura. Mura ni. Thank you, TikTok. Mura ni guluot, guys. Nothing special. Oh, pagong. Scott, taghana man kong nawala. Kanina lang. Freak. Para sa tunay na G ang temang to. Nakakain. Wala kong agtang. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you for the follow. Where? What was Sunny? Thank you, Mimi. Sunny. 1 points away from. Oh, okay. TikTok. Thank you, Mimi, and TikTok. What's with the fetish over kili-kili, guys. I mean, I don't get y'all's. Oh, kasabot. Sample of what? Uy, what? Thank you, Mimi. Huh? Unsay challenge? Ngano ni? Unsa may ngano? Thank you, Kremlin, for the protector. Familiar ka, boss? Asa naman po ko ma-familiar? Asa naman po ko dapita? Thank you, Mimi, baby boss. La! Hi, Nicole. Naman po ko ng familiar. Oy, thank you, Mimi. Oh, we got the top 1 contributor, and it's, kinsa ni? It's TikTok, as usual. Kaayo ba niyo mag-gusto? Ayaw pod. Ayaw pod. Sana I had like, no. No. I don't do stuff like that. Thank you, Mimi. Oh, ayun. Naging admin nga si si Yoj. Kala ko wala ka ng paramdam here. Hi, Han. Thank you, Mimi. Ayun, almost. Thank you so much for the hearts. Lord, baby. Delete ko ka messages. Man, I don't know what's wrong. Thank you, TikTok. Di ko ka message. I don't know what's wrong. Follow back na lang. Love. I don't know what's in it for me. Thank you so much, TikTok. Ayun. You're almost pantay with Mimi TikTok. Is that a good thing? Ilang taon ka na ba? I'm 20. I'm 20. Hawig your din mo akong ka-class, ka-schoolmate. Kinsa man? Kinsa man? Tugani ko sa pangalan. Like, ko message. Kira, hindi ko message. I don't know. Ayun! Nag-mute na si Yoj. Nag-message ko. Wala ko tingog. Hi, baby boy. Ang gagi. Di mo yan i-change yung name mo? Taga-Baisu. Oh. Oh. Change ko ba? Ang weird kasi. Baby boy. Ayun, nag-kick out na si Yoj. Thank you, TikTok. Ano i-change mo? Ewan. Ewan. Thank you, Michael. I cannot. Michael Thor. Thank you so much. Langga daw. Agoy, langga daw. Paldo sa gifts. Paldo. Paldo ba? Ewan. This is my, I don't know. Is it my 4th day going live here? Bito ko on. Say pangan ito ni mo. Win? Oh. Champion na lang. Champion imo hang i-change name. Ay, hindi ka Bisaya. Tang ina. Um, Hi, Han. Basin, din lang ko moingon. Bahala. Basin ka pa-restart na ko now. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you so much. Ayun, nandun ka ba sa general meeting, baby boy? Ang weird talaga. Kasi kauban ni mo diha, dol. As you can see, wala par. Nga naman, ba't wala ka dun? As you can see, I'm all alone. I'm all alone, bro. Boss. Boss. Busy. Ayun. Na-dissolve yung fam namin. Thank you, TikTok. Kaya, change kami ng fam. Oo. As you can see, iba na yung name ko dito. Na-dissolve because of some issues. Thank you, Mimi and Hunter. Bisaya di kagang. Bisaya ko. Hope to, sana sa tricks. Tricks? Ano yon? Thank you, TikTok. Another fam ba yon? Di ako maalam eh. Kung anong fam. Hi, live. Ewan. Branch ng Satar yun. Another branch. Another fam. Ewan. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong ano. Thank you, Mimi. Sa tricks ka ba? Sa tricks ka ba? Kasi I feel like I was supposed to leave the agency, but I can't. Kasi, ewan, I just wanna leave. Yung main mo. Asan ba yung main mo? Oh, nakakaya. Baby, dili ko on. Kaluoy. Dili ko ka message. Taga-asa ka gang. Secret. Ano yung tulog mo? Thank you, Mimi. Mas naging sexy ka na. Sexy di ay. Sige, ito ning Tagalog. Hindi ko pwede, ana. Tapi dia nak bos. Taguan na to tong naong. Ay mong tanaw na ko. Charis. Thank you, J Wolf. What's ganid? Baby boy, are you still here? They're like talking about the founder being ganid. And I don't understand what's ganid. What's ganid? What the heck? Thank you, Mimi. Is TikTok still here? Guys, can you tell me? What's ganid? Hi. Follow back, please. Sure. Stand up. No. How about no? Dugaya mo 12, oy. Hi, Coco. Thank you, Mimi, and TikTok. Thank you so much. Para sa tunay na ang damang to. Ganahan ako mo 12. Pila pa man ko, wapa ko naatag oras, ari. Piskot. Thank you so much, TikTok. Wait lang, baby. Pa- Thank you so much, TikTok. And magkugi ka para maabot kag 12. Lagi, thank you, bro, Loy. And Mimi. Ah, gasulti iko. Unsa? 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 Nawa imong message. Dili lagi ko mo storya kung asa ko dapit nagpuyo. Sino sa iba? Dili ko ka-reply. Question for me. What's your question? Thank you, TikTok. What's your question? Where's the question? Asang question bayat? Liana, I love you. Thank you, your man. Hi, friend. Mahal mo ba ako? No. No. Row all night, all day. Pass. Mahal mo ba ako? Secret. Dili siguro, no? Tama o lang ginoo kay mo anha ko kay bisitaon di ka. Palayo. Doon ka sa far away. Bahala ka. Hapit na ba? Hapit na 12. Side body view. Di ko. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you so much. You're leveling up so fast, TikTok. Like, you're 15 na. You're level 15 na. Hello. Pag sure gang, oy. Dili lagi. Hello, Tara. Agay. Napiang na ba ko, bi? Akong kamot, day. Og dili. Piang. Nalisa. Nalisa, day. Mind towel. Kita mo na. Mm. Para sa tunay na G ang tanong to. Thank you, TikTok. Oh my gosh, we're almost 1K beans. In just a day? In just a day? Thank you so much. Papa, kagi. Lugaya mag 12. Ay. Thank you, TikTok. Para sa tunay na G ang tanong to. Hi, Kian. Thank you so much. Hi, Nicole. Taga saan ka? Secret. Secret. Para sa tunay na G ang... Hi, guys. Nakay uyab. Wala. Wala. Tagas bitaw ka. Kuan bitaw. Bohol rabay. Thank you, Mimi. My BF ka na. Wala. Thank you, your man. Sa'yo ba yan? Thank you so much. Thank you, Casanova, for the heart. Thank you, Mimi and TikTok. Para sa tunay na G ang temang to. Kung nakaka-alien ko, edi welcome sa planeta ko. Thank you so much, TikTok. Baby. Guys, I cannot. Hi, Miracle. Thank you so much for the flowers. Hi, Mimi. I cannot follow all of your messages since there's really, it's too much. Thank you, Yoj. It's too much. I cannot follow all. Like, kuan dayon. Dairot? Hello. Di ko mabasa lahat. Di ko mabasa lahat messages. Thank you so much, Mimi and your man. Di ko mabasa lahat na messages. Thank you. Wait lang, may update kasi sa ano, sa farm namin. Ooh. Thank you, Didi. Sai. Sorry. Thank you, TikTok. Wait lang, guys. I was trying na ano. Ganda mo. Thank you, your man. Thank you, Sai. Sai ba? Did I pronounce it right? Ayun. Thank you so much, TikTok. Ano? Tayo ka naman, idol. Follow back, sure. Follow you back. Thank you, Didi Sai. Ayun, guys, we're almost 1K. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Wala. Dapat ko pala ano, i-change yung name. Thank you, Didi Sai. Am I pronouncing it right? Thank you, man. um, thank you so much, Didi Sai. Thank you so much, Didi Sai. Okay, suggest kayo ways to relieve migraine. Cause ayun, mina-migraine ako. Mina-migraine ako, ma'am. Oh my gosh. Like what's your way? You know how to relieve migraine, guys? Thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Gus. And thank you, Didi Sai. Okay, we are. Thank you so much. Hi, Jiro. So, I don't know. Can you suggest? Can you suggest ways to relieve migraine? Hi, Mimi. Thank you, TikTok. And thank you, Didi Sai. Hi. Sino yung kinick out mo? Money. What's money? Thank you, Didi Sai. Sorry, guys, to those who are requesting calls. I don't really take calls. Cause, ano, I'm scared, to be honest, na I'm traumatized with that. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Norman. Thank you. Money to relieve your headache. Real. That must be the way. Hi, Lai. That must be why. Um, what do you mean, why? Thank you for the tap here, man. So, yun. We're almost 1K, guys. Almost 1K. Come on, guys. We can do this. We can do this. Na-trauma ka. Because, like, if may nagko-call, tapos, ganon, biglang, ganon. And I don't like that. Even though I'm here, I don't do that shit. Because I'm scared. Sleep lang, mental, like, white flower to help ease it. That's the problem, because I forgot where I put my, Vicks or ganon. Ewan ko. Oh, I see. So, yeah, I don't really do calls. I'm just sorry to disappoint you guys. I'm so sorry. Thank you, TikTok. Sorry ha, if na-disappoint ko kayo. Ganto lang ako eh. Eto lang ako. Fabulous and beautiful. Charis. And I don't know how to navigate stuff like sounds. I saw some lives, like the other lives, they have sounds in. Like, let me put on some. Is it is it music? Is it sounds? Wait, I'm trying to see sounds. Thank you, TikTok. Like this. I don't know if I'll do this because it's kind of not my branding. Thank you, TikTok. Because if I'm gonna do live, it's gonna be a chill live. You know. So pretty talaga ikaw. Thank you. Thank you, Mimi, for the flowers. Ooh. I think I'm gonna do that. Celebrate lang. Celebrate. Thank you, Mimi. Can I got a follow back show? Tapos pag sinabi ko na I don't really do calls and they're gonna leave agad. Sorry agad ha. Sorry. Sorry if ayun, I followed you back na. Hi, Mimi. I followed you back. Hi, baby boy. Thank you, DDSI, for the callbacks. And, Mimi, asa ka sa Bohol. Maunay di na ko iingon. Dili na nako iingon. Kay, that's personal information. Sino kausap mo dyan, par? Sila. Sila. Okay. Tapos, ayun. Nag-change na kami ng wala pa ako di pa ako nag-change um, ng name. Uy, tabuhol pug ka, aw, samuti ko mo storya asa ko dapit. Kay na, majiji taan. Ikaw ba yun? Ang iPad. Wala akong ginagawa dito. Sa nindot adtuan sa Bohol. Panglao, Carmen, Anda. Yan it's kind of sketchy. Bakit, Kyle? Why? Why? Thank you, Mimi. Campsite sa Mambini. Wala pa ko kaadto. To be honest, kanunay ako na sa balay. Kamanunay ako. Like, I'm nag-grow agad. Kaya man din. Hindi po. So, yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Di pa ako nagpa-play ng Roblox eh. Sorry. Muadto trip. Lantay yan. Sa muadto na hotel pa ko nakaadto. Thank you, Budget Moves, for the top. So, yeah. I'm always in the house. Thank you, your man. I'm always in the house, locked up in my room, just doing some videos and stuff. And, yeah. Wala. Di pa ako nakakagala this month. This summer, wala. Di pa ako nakakagala. Hello. What videos? Like, TikTok videos. TikTok video. Man. TG yun ah. Ha? Ang ano? Di ko po yun. Ano? Okay, I'm gonna go cause it's almost 12, guys. I'm gonna go. Sino? Sino ang ano? Sino ang ano? Pamilyado na ko, guys. Nanak ko asawa, nanak ko bana, nanak ko anak. Twins. Nag-call sa'yo. Oh. Wala see? Yan, nag-call sa akin. Halika na, tulog na tayo. Sige, good night, guys. Good night. Matug na daw mi. O, di jud. Di jud ko out at live rin sa man ay. Wala jud. You're long. Thank you, Mimi. Moto. Nagsakit na po akong migraine. Nagsakit akong migraine yun. Can you dance? No. So, yeah. Kanihara dyan akong migraine ba? Ikapoy na ko, ani. Mapupuyat ka na, be. Ka na, tulog na tayo. Oo, matutulog na ako. Matutulog na tayo, guys. Let us sleep. Sleep na tayo. It's 12. Need ba gift? Bag makapalo back? Yeah. You have to drop. You have to drop though. Okay. You just advance your man to level 5. Dance muna. Drop ka muna. Good night. Good night, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you, your man. So pretty. Thank you so much, TikTok. I'll see you tomorrow, TikTok. See you tomorrow. Love you guys. Love you. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live. As usual, I will just do live at maybe 11 or 10. So yeah. Thank you. Paano humiga ang pretty? Let me show you. Charis. Hindi ha, hindi. Bye-bye. Gonna go ahead and sleep and do my stuff. Okay. Bye. Hi, Hunter. Oh, by the way, I'm tryna. I don't know if I can wake up at 5, but thank you, Mimi. Thank you, TikTok. Thank you, Mimi. Okay, I'm gonna end the live na, guys. Okay, bye. Bye, TikTok. Thank you, Mimi. I'm gonna end na, Jod. Please. Please, guys. Stop. Pag-stop na. Stop na mo. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Wala di ma-end. Tangina. Wait. Nag-loading. Say thanks and end. Ay, dili! Namali kong tuplok. Napay 30 seconds noon. Ah, sige na lang. Sige na lang, 30 seconds. Thank you, man. I got 30 seconds. Ano na lang. To thank y'all. Thank you so much to TikTok. To... To Mimi. And everyone. You're man. Thank you. Sleep well. Thank you. What time ka left tomorrow? As usual, maybe 10 or 11. Bye.